In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add first name in Beehiiv step by step. This is a simple but powerful way to make your emails feel more personal, improve segmentation, and set up your newsletter for better audience engagement. If you've been wondering how to create or add a first name field inside Beehiiv, you're in the right place. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Beehiiv tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll want to head over to the left-hand menu and click on Audience. From there, select Subscribers. This is where Beehiiv stores all of your subscriber information, and it's also where you can manage custom data fields for your audience. Now that you're on the Subscribers page, look for the Custom Fields tab and click it. Custom fields are very useful because they let you store extra information about your subscribers beyond just their email address. This is where you can add details like first name, last name, location, or any other data you want to track for your newsletter. Next, click Create Custom Field. Beehiiv will give you a couple of options here. If you see a preset field called first name, you can simply select that. This is the fastest option because Beehiiv already recognizes it as a standard subscriber field. If the preset option is not available or you want to set it up manually, you can create a custom field and name it first name yourself. After that, make sure the field type is set to text. This is important because a first name is a text-based value, not a number, date, or checkbox. Choosing the correct field type helps Beehiiv store and use the information properly when you personalize your emails later on. Once the field is named and the type is selected, click Save. Beehiiv will then add the first name field to your subscriber custom fields. After that, you'll be able to start collecting first names from new subscribers or use the field in your email personalization settings, depending on how your sign-up forms and subscriber data are configured. And that's it. You've now added a first name field in Beehiiv. From here, you can use it to make your emails feel more tailored and professional. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Beehiiv how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.